at UTRGV working on research to address the Zika virus. News Center 23's Jose Sainz visited their lab and has more on their findings and where their research is heading.
The recent floods and the warm climate are some of the factors that make the Rio Grande Valley a good point of entry for mosquito-borne viruses like Zika and the West Nile. But here at UTRGV, biology professors and students are taking advantage of these factors to continue their research to better understand and fight the threats.
Our recent efforts in the last 2 years have been focused on developing a new animal model for Zika virus research. We've been doing this work in conjunction with a collaborator of ours, Dr. John Vandenberg. So we've been using his possum colony to test how does the virus replicate in the brain, and we're specifically focused on looking at newborn animals.
Dr. Thomas and other researchers infect the possums with a dose of Zika as soon as they're born. They let the possums grow for about 3 months, and the things they found have been quite interesting.
The possums aren't growing as big as they should. They're having deformations in certain areas of their body. Some of their sex organs don't look the way that they're supposed to look. When we examine these animals histologically, we cut them open and look at their tissues. We find Zika viruses all over them. We're starting to see in our model some of the same characteristics that people have reported in other models that they use to research Zika, like non-human primates or even in some cases of humans.
Dr. Thomas and the rest of his team are also looking at pregnant animals and hope that soon they may find some form of intervention that can prevent the Zika virus from reaching the possum pups before they're even born. In Edinburgh, Jose Sainz, KVEO News Center 23.
UTRGV researchers will also be trying to develop different types of vaccines to see if any are effective against the Zika virus in the opossums.